All right, you can see we got a nice little storm front coming in. We're getting lots of rain. We're gonna get even more next week. Food forest is doing really well. You can see it's just growing. I got a new tool coming in for the pond. We'll probably send that video the next weekend, not this weekend, but next weekend. And this is what I'm working on right now. So cleaning up the front of the greenhouse here. And I'm just gonna level this off a little bit here and on this side. And the old skirts that we had, you see this blue, there used to be skirts for that are piled up over there. And I'll take you over there and I'll show you when we grab them. And they're like little cement boards or some kind of asbestos cement board, something like that. I don't even really know for sure, but they don't rot. So what I'm gonna do is lay them down and make a little bit of a deck here so I can put my plants over here and it'll control the weeds, because it's a real pain in the ass to come up here and kind of get the bushwhacker out without, hitting the walls or the plastic or the pots or anything like that. So that's what we're gonna do. That's what I'm working on right now. So I got the tractor out here. We're gonna grind it up a little bit and flatten her out, because I'm gonna have to till up this a little bit and then stretch it out, flatten it out a little bit, just so we don't have such crooked ground to place those on. Otherwise they'll all crack and break. So, but it'll be great. We're gonna see how it goes. So stay tuned. We're gonna get at that. Sorry if it's a little windy, but man, that wind's really picked up. So I don't know if I got a lot of time. So I'm gonna get going. All right, so like I said, I was just prepping this little spot here and over here. I did a little raking just to see how flush I can get it, how flat I can get it, because I'm gonna put a bunch of flat boards down, which will not biodegrade. I'll take you over there in a second just to show you what I'm using. But this side looks pretty good. I got enough in here. I might extend it out a little bit more. The hillside's a little more slanted this way, obviously, down towards Berry Hill, so I might have to build it up a little bit more, which is fine. But I just wanted to see how flat I could get it. And then over here, same thing, right? So here I'm a little short. I could have put another pile in there, another bucket of ground up dirt. So I use some tilled dirt that I use is just topsoil. And that's about it there. So we got this kind of prepped. We can get a couple of pieces in there, see how it's gonna go, and then work from there. I have Monday off, so we'll be working on this Sunday, Monday. And let's get over here. I'll show you the stuff I'm using to create this small patio. And it's just to put this stuff on here. Like this here gets rid of the weeds. You can see all the weeds are growing underneath the table. I got a makeshift table here. I got another one inside. You can see right there by the tote. Again, I like putting my pots up top so that the rabbits don't come in and just mow down on them. So let's go over here and I'll show you what I'm going to be using. All right, so under this hidden pile of brush is the old skirting that I used to have. So this is the old skirting for the greenhouse. You can see it's about 1/2 inch thick. It's kind of a cement type board, and we're just going to use them. So I might, depending on how many I need. Looks like I don't have as many as I thought I did, but we'll see how it goes. We're going to get up there and make at least a short deck. It'll keep me from trimming around the front of the greenhouse, because it's really hard to get the tractor up and around there to cut it. So got some maple trees. These are my free maple trees that I took from my cousin's place. And the ones in the shade seem to do the best. The ones outside, not so much, but they're doing all right. The pawpaws love the shade. They love the shade. Look at this. That pawpaw is only like 1 year old or 2 years old. It's the second year. I got 1 year from when I bought it last year, and this is what it looks like this year. So they're doing really well in this shaded area. So it looks like I did a pretty good job. I got a bunch of them here and a bunch down at the other end. So it's my new pawpaw guilds. And that's it. All right, it's a start. Got some more here to do. Some of these are longer than others, so I had to kind of carve out a little something. So yeah, there's the first two. We're gonna get on, get more done, and we'll come right back. Stay tuned. All right, so there it is. We got it all done. I stacked up all of my stuff, trying to get rid of all my skids off the ground and a little bit out of the way where the weeds won't get at them. So I have to trim around them all the time. So we're still in the process of moving a few things. We're going to still be cleaning up the greenhouse as we go throughout the season and through fall, because that's the best time to be in the greenhouse, when it's cold outside. And yeah, I moved everything around, so we're doing really well now. Got to do a little cutting here to shorten these up, but it's going to help with those weeds, like I said. This is all my gardening stuff that I need to pot and do stuff like that, so we're doing all right. So stay tuned. Got another video coming out next week. I got a new tool for the pond I want to show you, and definitely want you to come back and be safe and hit that thumbs up down there, and don't forget to comment and share with your friends, and take care.